हाय दोस्तों, क्रैक कंपटीशन 2.0 में आप सबों का स्वागत है। नेट JRF के लिए KVS मैदान का MCQ सीरीज शुरू करने जा रहे हैं, जिसमें कि क्विक रिवीजन के तौर पे ये वीडियो होगा। तो चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। Which of the following is are the basic paradigm in classroom teaching? A. Learning paradigm. B. Instructional paradigm. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. इसका सही आंसर होगा B. The prime requirement to become a good teacher is to have genuine interest in teaching, knowledge about controlling student, C. Subject knowledge, D. good experience. इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा C. Which of the following statements is are not true? A. Teaching is just an art. B. Teachers can be trained only. C. Teachers are born. D. All of the above. तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा all of the above. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. The most desirable skill of teaching is to A. Make the students understand what the teacher says. B. Cover the prescribed course. C. Keep students relaxed while teaching. D. Keep higher authorities informed about the class activities. तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन ए. Make the student understand what the teacher says. लेवल ऑफ टीचिंग प्रोपोनेंट से मैच करना है। मेमोरी ऑफ लेवल का है हर्बर्ट, अंडरस्टैंडिंग लेवल का है मॉरिसन, रिफ्लेक्टिव लेवल का है हॉन्ट। तो इसका सही आंसर मैचिंग कर लेते हैं। ए का 1, बी का 2 और सी का 3। तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा ए. Which of the following is the sequence of different level of teaching? तो 3 ही लेवल होता है, मेमोरी लेवल, अंडरस्टैंडिंग लेवल और रिफ्लेक्टिव लेवल। इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा ए. Which of the following is an independent variable in teaching learning process? A. Teacher, B. Student, C. Institution, D. Parents. तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा टीचर, जो कि इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल है. 8. Which of the following method should be used by each teacher? A. Analytical synthetics, B. Synthetics analytical, C. Only analytical, D. Only synthetics. तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन ए. टीचिंग मैक्सिम्स यानी सिद्धांत और मेन प्रोपोनेंट प्रस्तावक को मिलन करना. तो ए फ्रॉम होल टू पार्ट का हो जाएगा गेस्टोल साइकोलॉजिस्ट, बी सेल्फ स्टडी का हो जाएगा डेल्टन, सी का ट्रेनिंग्स ऑफ सेंस का हो जाएगा मोंटेसोरी एंड फोबेल. इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा ए का ए, बी का 2, सी का सी. सही आंसर ए हो जाएगा. Which of the following reflect the nature of teaching? A. It is an art. B. It is an science. C. It is an art as well as science. D. It is neither आर्ट नॉर साइंस। तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा सी, इट इज एन आर्ट एज वेल एज साइंस। Which of the following orders are the three level of teaching? तो तीन ही लेवल होता है, मेमोरी, अंडरस्टैंडिंग और रिफ्लेक्टिव। तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा 1, 2 और ये 3। आंसर ऑप्शन ए हो जाएगा सही आंसर। Nowadays, teaching is becoming more and more A. Learner centered, B. Instructor centered, C. Group centered, D. Neither of above, none of the above। इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा A. Learner centered। When the learner is self-directed, it is termed as A. Pedagogical learning, B. Andragogical learning, C. Distance education learning, D. None of the above। इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा B. Andragogical learning। 14 नंबर, instructional objectives are written for the student and they state what the student is expected to do। These objectives should be A. Specific, B. Observable, C. Measurable, D. All of the above। तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा D। In context of dynamic teaching environment, which of the following statement is true? A teacher is a dependent variable and a student is an independent variable. B. Teacher is an independent variable and a student is a dependent variable. C. Both teacher and a student are intervening variable. D. None of the above। तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा B. Teacher is an independent variable and a student is a dependent variable। At which of the following teaching levels classroom environment is required to be sufficiently open and independent? A. Memory level, B. Understanding level, C. Reflective level, D. All the above। तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा C. Reflective level। What is meant by the term curriculum? कैरिकुलम फ्रेमवर्क और सिलेबस तीनों अंदर होता है। जैसे फ्रेमवर्क बड़ा होता है जो गवर्नमेंट के लेवल पे होता है, जैसे नई शिक्षा नीति। कैरिकुलम उससे छोटा होता है जिसमें बहुत सारे सिलेबस होता है और अलग एक्टिविटी होता है, और कैरिकुलम के अंदर ही सिलेबस होता है। तो इसका सही ऑप्शन हो जाए ऑप्शन ए, द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ स्टडी ऑफर्ड बाय एन educational institution, B. Organized hall of learning and other experiences provided by educational institution to realize set goals, C. The prescribed syllabi in various subject plus practical course and project dissertation, the theory and D. The theory and practical course to be completed to qualifying for a level of education। इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा B. Organized hall of learning and other experiences provided by educational institution to realize set goals। The classification of cognitive domain was presented by A. Benjamin S. Bloom, B. Skinner, C. क्रेथॉल, D. सिम्पसन। इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा A. ऑप्शन ए, बेंजामिन एस ब्लूम। टू मेक यूज ऑफ प्रीवियसली लर्नड मटेरियल in new situations is A. comprehension, B. application, C. knowledge, D. analysis। इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा एप्लीकेशन। The highest level of cognitive domain is A. synthesis, B. analysis, C. comprehension, D. evaluation। तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा evaluation। At authoritarian level, teaching is A. teacher centered, B. child centered, C. headmaster centered, D. experienced base। तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा A. टीचर सेंटर्ड। लिस्ट एक में कैरेक्टरिस्टिक, लिस्ट बी फिलोसफी है, इसको मैच करना है। तो इसका सही आंसर देख लेते। सही आंसर इसका हो जाएगा इसका सही आंसर ए हो जाएगा। तो ए का हो जाएगा एक लर्निंग बाय डूइंग, ये हो जाएगा लर्निंग बाय डूइंग। इसका आंसर बी होगा। लर्निंग बाय डूइंग हो जाएगा प्रैग्मेटिज्म, और बी एजुकेशन थ्रू इन्वायरमेंट, ये हो जाएगा नेचुरल, इन्वायरमेंट के थ्रू नेचुरल हो जाएगा। सी का 2 हो जाएगा रियलाइजेशन ऑफ ट्रूथ, ब्यूटी एंड गॉडनेस, यानी कि आइडियलिज्म हो जाएगा। डी का 4 हो जाएगा वर्ल्ड एज इट इज हियर एंड नाउ, ये रियलिज्म का हो जाएगा। इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा बी। 23 में है द इंटेलेक्चुअल स्किल आर रिफ्लेक्टेड बाय, तो इसका सही ऑप्शन ए कॉग्निटिव डोमेन, बी अफेक्टिव डोमेन, सी साइकोमोटर्स डोमेन, डी नन ऑफ द एबव। तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा ए। एटीट्यूड, वैल्यू एंड इंटरेस्टेड आर रिफ्लेक्टेड बाय ए कॉग्निटिव डोमेन, बी अफेक्टिव डोमेन, सी साइकोमोटर डोमेन, डी नन ऑफ द एबव। इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा बी अफेक्टिव डोमेन। विच डोमेन इज कंसर्न्ड विद फिजिकल एंड मोटर स्किल, ए कॉग्निटिव डोमेन, बी अफेक्टिव डोमेन, सी साइकोमोटर डोमेन, डी नन ऑफ द एबव। इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा सी साइकोमोटर डोमेन। Which of the following can be cited as an example of cognitive domain? A. Describe a specific topic. B. Develop a photographic film. C. Typing an essay. D. Take responsibility for maintenance। इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा A. Describe a specific topic। Which of the following can be taken as an example of psychomotor domain in the context of teaching? A. Demonstrate awareness to environmental population. B. Performing an experiment. C. Computing result of 2 experiments. D. Narrating a story. तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा B. Performing an experiment. Which of the following statements is false? A. Teaching and instruction are the same concept. B. There is difference between teaching and learning. C. Education is a wider term than teaching, training, research etc. D. All of the above. तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा A. Teaching and instruction are the same concept. Question number 19. Teaching is based upon the mastery of A. Knowledge of concept. B. Technique skills. C. Decision making skills. D. All the above. तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा आपका D. All the above. Which of the following are the teaching maxims? From psychological to logical. 2. From analysis to synthesis. 3. From concrete to abstract. 4. Follow nature. तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा 4. All of the above. 31. Analysis means ability to break a problem into its constituent part. B. To combine the constituent part. C. A and B. D. None of the above. तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा A. Ability to break a problem into its constituent part. 32. The rule of presenting the constituent to make them easy are called A. Method of teaching. B. Maxims of teaching. C. Technique of teaching. D. Teaching strategy. तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा B. Maxim of teaching. With smaller classes, teachers are much more able to A. Identify learning problems. B. Provide individual attention. C. Adapt instruction to individual differences among students. D. All of the above. तो इसका सही आंसर होगा all of the above. The single most important factor in the beginning of the teaching career is A. Meritorious academic record. B. Communication skill. C. One's personality and ability to relate to class and student. D. Organizing ability. तो इसका सही आंसर होगा C. One's personality and ability to related to class and student. Question number 35. Effective teaching by and large is a function of A. Maintaining discipline in the class. B. Teachers' honesty. C. Teachers making student learn and understand the teacher liking for a job of teaching. इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा C. टीचर्स मेकिंग स्टूडेंट लर्न एंड अंडरस्टैंड। कैरेक्टरिस्टिक लिस्ट एक में और फिलोसफी, इसको मैचिंग करना है। तो टैगर तो इसका पहले सही आंसर देख लेते हैं। तो इसका सही आंसर होगा सी। इसका सही आंसर सी होगा। तो टैगर का हो जाएगा, टैगर का 3 हो जाएगा, चाइल्ड इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट देन ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ बुक्स। और बी विवेकानंद, बी का 4 हो जाएगा, विवेकानंद का हो जाएगा योगा एज अ मेथड ऑफ एजुकेशन। सी का 1 हो जाएगा, महात्मा गांधी हारमोनियस डेवलपमेंट ऑफ पर्सनैलिटी। और डी का बुद्धिज्म हो जाएगा 2, द डॉक्ट्राइन ऑफ कर्मा। Who said the education is man making? It is the by which character is formed, strength of mind is increased, intellect is expanded, and by which man can stand on his own feet. ये हो जाएगा स्वामी विवेकानंद। इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा स्वामी विवेकानंद ने ये कहा। prior to teaching the teachers does A. Identification of objectives, B. Preparation of teaching lesson plan, C. None the interest of student, D. All of the above। तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा all of the above। Effective teaching includes A. Teacher is active but a student may or may not be active. B. Teacher may be active or inactive but a student are active. C. Teacher is active and a student are active. D. All of the above। तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा C. Teacher is active and a student are be active। The most expected immediate outcome of teachings is a change in behavior of a student in desirable direction, development of total personality of a student, C. Building character of the student, D. Getting selected for a suitable job। तो 40 का सही आंसर हो जाएगा ए, change in behavior of a student in desirable direction। 41. The basic requirement of teaching efficiency is a mastery on teaching skill, mastery over use of different technique of teaching, C. Mastery over appropriate use of media and technological in teaching, D. All the above। तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा all the above। Which of the following statement is not correct? A good communicator cannot be a good teacher. B. A good communicator has good sense of humor. C. A good communicator has wide reading knowledge. D. A good communicator has command over language। तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा ए। A good communicator cannot be a good teacher। A good communicator cannot be 43. A teacher is successful only if he a. Learn his subject thoroughly well. B. Produce cent% result. C. Is approachable. D. Publish paper in journals of repute. तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा ए. Know his subject thoroughly well. If a teacher wants to enhance his income, he should a. Teacher in coaching institute during extra time. B. Option A. Teach in coaching institute during extra time. Option B. Take more remunerative work in the school or college. C. Join contractual assignments other than teaching. D. Write books. तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा डी. Writes book. As a principal, you will encourage your teacher colleague to a. Participate in seminar and conference in India and abroad. B. Participate in refresh course of enhance of subject knowledge. C. Doing community service for the upliftment of downtrodden. D. All of the above. तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा all of the above. Which of the following activities can help a teacher inculcate social and moral value among the student? A. Delivering lecture on value. B. Showing TV program. C. Involving students activity in co-curricular activities. D. Observing religious festival. तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा C. Involve student activity in co-curriculum activity. A teacher will become an effective communicator if A. He use instructional facility. B. He helps a student get meaning out of what he teaches. C. He asks a question in between teaching. D. He helps a student get correct answer to the question on the topics. तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा B. He helps students get meaning out of what he teaches. Teaching in higher education implies A. Presenting the information given in the textbook. B. Asking questions in the class and conducting examination. C. Helping a student prepare for and pass the examination. D. Helping students to learn. तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा D. Helping student to learn. Teaching will be effective if the teacher A. is the master of subject. B. has much experience in teaching the subject. C. starts from what students know already. D. use many instructional facilities. तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा C. starts from what students know already. 50. A college teacher will really help the student when she dictates note detects note in the class. B is objective in her evaluation. C encourage student to ask question. D covers the syllabus completely in class। तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा बी इज ऑब्जेक्टिव इन हर evaluation। Which is the most desirable outcome of teaching in higher education? A increase in student achievement. B increase in the level of independent thinking of student. C higher percentage of result. D increase in the number of student who opt for the subject। तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा बी increase in the level of independent thinking of student। Books can be a powerful source of communication provided A. The content is abstract. B. The content is illustrate. C. The medium is Hindi. D. The content is presented throughly good print। तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा बी द मीडियम इज हिंदी। सॉरी इसका सही आंसर होगा बी द कंटेंट इज इलिस्ट्रेटिव। क्वेश्चन नंबर 53 गुड टीचिंग इज बेस्ट रिफ्लेक्टेड बाय ए अटेंडेंस ऑफ स्टूडेंट। बी नंबर ऑफ डिस्टिंक्शन। सी मीनिंगफुल क्वेश्चन आस्क बाय स्टूडेंट। डी पिन ड्रॉप साइलेंस इन द क्लास। तो इसका सही आंसर होगा सी मीनिंगफुल क्वेश्चन आस्क बाय स्टूडेंट्स। The main aim of classroom teaching is A. To give information. B. To develop inquiry mind. C. To develop personality of student. D. To help student pass examination। तो इसका सही आंसर होगा B. To develop inquiry mind। Students prefer those teachers who deduct notes in the class, give important question before examination, can clear their difficulties regarding subject matter, D are themselves disciplined। तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा सी कैन क्लियर देयर डिफिकल्टीज रिगार्डिंग सब्जेक्ट मैटर। Which of the following is the main objective of teaching? A. To give information related to the syllabus. B. Prepare the student for examination. C. Help the student in getting job. D. To develop the thinking capability of student। तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा D. To develop the thinking capability of student। The teacher's role in higher education is to A. Provide information to the student, though only prepare a student for examination। 3. मोटिवेट स्टूडेंट फॉर सेल्फ लर्निंग। 4 इनकरेज कंपटीशन एमंग स्टूडेंट। तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा सी 1, 2 और 4, यानी कि 3 नहीं होगा। An effective teaching will ensure A. Cooperation among his students, B. Leisure or fair role, C. Competition among students, D. Competition और cooperation as the situation demands। इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा D. Competition और cooperation as the situation demands। A new teacher to start with will have to enforce discipline in class, B. Establish rapport with the student, C. Cut joke with the student, D. Tell the student about his qualification। तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा B. Establish rapport with the students। Who has the least chance of becoming an effective teacher? One who is a strict disciplinarian, B. One who knows his subject well, C. One who has no interest in teaching, D. One who teaches moral value। इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा C. One who has no interest in teaching। 61 a teacher can establish rapport with students by playing the role of a guide who desires to help them, B. Becoming a figure of authority, C. Impressing the student with knowledge, D. implement strict rules। तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा A. Playing the role of a guide who desire to help them। The quality of teaching can be assessed A. By the result in annual exam, B. By the attendance of student, C. By the quality of interaction of student in the class, D. By the silence in the class। तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा C. By the quality of interaction of student in the class। Which of the following is the least important aspect of the teacher's role in the guidance of learning? A. The development of insight to overcome the pitfalls and obstacles. B. The development of insight into what constitute an adequate performance. C. The provision of encouragement and moral support. D. The provision of continuous diagnostic and remedy help। तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा A. The development of insight to overcome the pitfalls and obstacles। Which of the following should not be the main role of the teachers at the higher education level? A. Provide information to student, B. Promote self-learning in the student, C. Encourage health competition, among student. D. Help the students to solve their पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम। तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा डी। हेल्प द स्टूडेंट टू सॉल्व देयर पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम्स। अरेंज द फॉलोइंग एक्टिविटीज ऑफ इंटरेक्शन इन लॉजिकल ऑर्डर। तो इसका सही क्रम होगा बी, यानी कि प्लानिंग एंड प्रिपरेशन। उसके बाद 3 नंबर प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ मटेरियल्स। उसके बाद एनालिसिस ऑफ द वर्क डन। एंड 4 नंबर में मॉडिफिकेशन एंड इम्प्रूवमेंट। Effective teaching means all of the following aspects. A teacher teaches with enthusiasm. B. Teachers find fault in his student. C. Teachers puts emphasis more on teaching than on class control. D. A teacher is interested in making the subject matter understood rather than on completing the course। तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा बी। A teacher find fault in his student। 67. If some students fail in the examination, it is the fault of A. the teacher, B. the principal, C. students themselves, D. it cannot be generalized। इसका सही आंसर होगा डी। इसका सही आंसर होगा डी, इट कैनॉट बी जनरलाइज्ड। A teacher who is not able to draw the attention of his student should A. evaluate his teaching method and improve it. B. resign from the post. C. find fault in his pupils. D. start डिडक्टिंग। तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा ए। evaluate his teaching method and improve it। The primary task of a teacher is to teach the prescribed curriculum. B. to stimulate and guide students' learning. C. to provide diagnostic and remedial instruction facility wherever desired. D. to promote habit of conformity to adult demands and expectation। तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा बी, टू स्टिमुलेट एंड गाइड स्टूडेंट्स लर्निंग। Which of the following teachers' behavior suggests a dimension of unsuccessful teachers' behavior? A teacher who is A. always motivating a student. B. business-like and friendly approach. C. aloof and focus on routine tasks. D. understanding and sympathetic। तो इसका सही आंसर होगा सी, aloof and focus on routine task। A teacher A should provide overview of the topic to be taught in the class. B. Should have good communication skill. C. Should command over his subject. D. All the above. इसका सही आंसर होगा all the above. Which of the following is desirable from a new teacher as his or her professional responsibility? A. Changing the course curriculum. B. Cooperate with the fellow teacher despite the differences. C. Follow the procedure of the institution. D. None of the above. तो इसका सही आंसर होगा C. Cooperate with the fellow teacher despite the differences. The greatest important cause of failure in beginning for a teacher lie in the area of interpersonal relationship. B. Verbal ability. C. Knowledge of the teacher. D. Tight handling of the student. तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा C. Knowledge of the teacher. Miram Baka. The school based on idea of free progress education was advocated by. तो ये इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा D. अरोबिंदो. The most important single factor of success for a teacher in the beginning of teaching career is A. Verbal influence and organization ability. B. Positive attitude and outlook towards life. C. Personality and ability to adjust to classroom. D. Competence and प्रोफेशनल एथिक्स. तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा C. पर्सनैलिटी एंड एबिलिटी टू एडजस्ट टू क्लासरूम. फॉर द टीचर इन हायर एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूशन which of the following is the best option to do in leisure time? A. Take leisure time. A. Taking rest in teacher's room. B. Reading magazines in library. C. Taking to administrative staff. D. Doing research. तो इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा D. Doing research. What are the components of Taylor's models of curriculum? तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा B. पर्पज, एजुकेशनल एक्सपीरियंस, इफेक्टिव ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस, वेरिफिकेशन ऑफ गोल. The experienced teacher do not require the detailed lesson plan of a topic because they can teach more effectively without its help. B. There are just few curious students in the class. C. The teacher is not likely to face any challenges from students even if they are wrong. They can equip themselves with brief outline as they gain specialization in the through experiences. इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा D. They can equip themselves with brief outline as they gain specialization in the through experiences. The ideal teacher. A. cover the whole syllabus in class. B. Helps his student in learning. C. Is a friend, philosopher and guide. D. Is a strict discipline. तो इसका सही आंसर होगा C. Is a friend, philosopher and guide. The field of education is permeated by conflict and misconception because a subjectivity of interpretation. B. Problems are not amenable to rigorous scientific investigation. C. Lack of good teaching method. D. All the above. तो इसका सही आंसर होगा B. Problems are not amenable to rigorous scientific investigation. In the introduction part of a lesson, plan a teacher's aims to get students A. Assignments. B. Aptitude. C. Attention. D. Abilities. तो इसका सही आंसर होगा C. Attention. With the development of technology, the role of a teachers in future will be A. To provide information. B. To develop new textbook. C. To guide student. D. To use of the internet in teaching. तो इसका सही आंसर होगा C. To guide students. Which of the following is not a level of teaching learning? तो टीचिंग लर्निंग का 3 ही लेवल होता है, मेमोरी, अंडरस्टैंडिंग, रिफ्लेक्टिव. तो ये ऑप्शन ए नहीं होगा, डिफरेंशिएशन लेवल नहीं होता. What does the cognitive domain of Bloom's taxonomy of educational objective affect in learners? A. Thoughts. B. Emotion. C. Skills. D. all the above. तो इसका सही आंसर होगा A. Integral education concept is propounded by. तो ये तो ऑप्शन ए श्री अरबिंदो. बी. महात्मा गांधी. सी. स्वामी दयानंद. डी. स्वामी विवेकानंद. तो ये श्री अरबिंदो ने दिया था. The standard of education can be raised by appointing good teacher, providing physical faculties in school. C. Reforming examination system. D. Providing computer in school. तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा appointing good teachers. Which of the following skills are needed for the present day teacher to adjust effectively with classroom teaching? A. Knowledge of technology, use of technology in teaching learning, knowledge of student needs, content mastery. तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा C. यानी कि यूज ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी इन टीचिंग लर्निंग और नॉलेज ऑफ स्टूडेंट नीड और कंटेंट में मास्टरी. The primary duty of a teacher is to raise the intellectual standards of student. B. Improve the physical standard of student. C. Help in all around development of student. D. imbibe value system in student। तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा सी, help in all around development of student। Which one of the following is the most important quality of a good teacher? A. Punctuality and sincerity. B. Content mastery. C. Content mastery and reactive. D. Content mastery and sociable। तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा डी, कंटेंट मास्टरी एंड सोशिएबल। द प्राइमरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फॉर द टीचर्स एडजस्टमेंट लाई विद द चिल्ड्रेन। बी. द प्रिंसिपल। सी. द टीचर हिमसेल्फ। डी. द कम्युनिटी। तो इसका सही आंसर होगा सी, द टीचर हिमसेल्फ। Which one of the following statement is correct? A. Syllabus is an annexure to the curriculum. B. Curriculum is the same in all educational institutions. C. Curriculum includes both formal and informal education. D. Curriculum does not include method of evaluation। तो इसका सही आंसर होगा ए, syllabus is an annexure to the curriculum। A successful teacher is one who is compassionate and disciplinary. B. Quiet and reactive. C. Tolerant and dominating. D. Passive and active। तो इसका सही आंसर होगा ए, compassionate and disciplinarian। 93. The most important quality of a good teacher is a sound knowledge of subject matter. B. Good communication skill. C. Concern for students' welfare. D. इफेक्टिव लीडरशिप क्वालिटी। तो इसका सही आंसर होगा ए, साउंड नॉलेज ऑफ सब्जेक्ट मैटर। द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट चैलेंज इन टीचिंग अ रिसोर्स टीचर्स इज identification and assessment of the disabled children. B. Sensitization of public, parents and peer groups. C. Establishing resource room and supplying assisting device. D. Teaching plus curriculum activity। तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा डी। Micro teaching is more effective. A. During preparation for teaching practice. B. During teaching practice. C. After the teaching practice. D. Always। इसका सही आंसर होगा ए, ड्यूरिंग प्रिपरेशन फॉर द टीचिंग प्रैक्टिस। माइक्रो टीचिंग इज यूजफुल टू स्टूडेंट ऑफ ए. प्राइमरी क्लासेज। बी. जूनियर क्लासेज। C. 10+2 क्लासेज। D. बोथ प्राइमरी एंड हायर क्लासेज। तो इसका सही आंसर होगा डी, बोथ प्राइमरी एंड हायर क्लासेज। Which of the following university was the pioneer in micro teaching concept started in 1961? तो ये आपका हो जाएगा स्टैनफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी। In which of the following is instructional procedure the main component? A. Synetics teaching model, B. Basic teaching model, C. Inductive model, D. Social स्टिमुलेशन। तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा बी, बेसिक टीचिंग मॉडल। इन एजुकेशन जॉन डुए stressed on learning by doing, B. authoritarian teaching methods, C. rote learning, D. none of the above। तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा ए, लर्निंग बाय डूइंग। Symposium is a type of A. Discovery of method, B. Discussion of method, C. Lecture method, D. Demonstrative method। तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा बी, डिस्कवरी मेथड। तो दोस्तों इस वीडियो में 1 घंटा के वीडियो में 100 क्वेश्चन हो गया है। इसके बाद नेक्स्ट सीरीज लाएंगे। तब तक के लिए कुछ थोड़ा सा भी हेल्पफुल है तो आप चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। तब तक के लिए जय हिंद।